What's up, guys? Welcome to the project. Today we are going to the bathroom. We are going into the bathroom to fix something. Alright guys, today we're going to be fixing one of these. You know what this is? Nope, you're wrong. It's a shower drain plug. I guess a couple nights ago the girls were taking a bath and they tried to get the water out when they were done, and they couldn't push this thing in to release the water back out into the drain. So I came along, I stomped it out, and blasted this thing right out of the cross member. So I busted the whole shower shoe, or shower drain, whatever you want to call it. So that sucks, but then again, if you take a look at this thing, it's really corroded and rotted, so maybe it wasn't all my fault. Although I probably shouldn't have been such a brute, but whatever. So I had to buy a whole new one of these. This is a shower shoe, shower drain kit. You can see this cross member in here. Well, I'll unwrap it in a second, but it's a lot less rotted than this thing. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take this drain removal tool, and this goes in this cross member in the drain, well, where it used to be, and I'm going to have to back out the drain. Hopefully there's enough metal left in the drain. There's not much, but if I can't get it out with this thing, I went and I bought this thing, drain removal tool. Shut up. So what you do with this thing is you hammer this thing into the drain, and then you back it out nice and gently with a 1/2-inch socket. So this is the last resort. Hopefully I don't have to use this. It'd be great if I could return this. But yeah. We're going to go upstairs, and we're going to sneak into the bathroom, and we're going to try to fix it right now. Alright guys, we're back here in the bathroom now, and as you can see, this cross piece and the drain is just completely shattered. Nothing left to grip onto. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. So I'm going to try that drain removal tool and see if I could bite on some of those nibs. Otherwise we'll use that last resort tool. Alright, let's see if this thing will bite onto it. Feels like it's got 2 teeth gripping on there. Alright. Here goes nothing. Yep, they sheared off. Alright, last resort tool. Alright, this is a drain removal tool. Gonna open this bad boy up. Oh, geez, that's a loose fit. I'm gonna have to hammer the crap out of this thing to get it in there tight. Then once I do that, got my old breaker bar, and it's a 1/2-inch. So I'll maximize our torque getting this sucker out. You know what? I'm gonna align this socket so I can make sure I get this in here without using 50 extensions. Or maybe I'll just come back with the impact gun. That'll work too. Alright. There goes nothing. Oh, that's awesome. It's coming right out. Timeout. There we go. Cool. Alright, this sucker is on here. Probably gonna have to get this off with the cutoff wheel. No worries either way, it's junk. But this thing, amazing. Alright, I got my telescopic magnet. I'm just gonna grab these pieces of broken drain. Nice, got that out. So much for this crap. Goodbye. And I'm just gonna clean this out as best as possible. The old plumber's putty out. Alright, here's the new kit. Let's open this up. Yeah, just in case. Alright. You can see this adapter ring. Alright, here's the adapter ring. It just threads onto here to fit 1.5 inch drain and the 1 7/8 drain. I have the 1 7/8 drain, and I'm not too crazy about having 2 pieces to thread into, because the more connections, obviously the more chances of leaking you have. But this is what there was at Home Depot, and we're gonna have to make the best of it. Alright, well, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Teflon tape on these threads. I'm gonna make the connection as tight as possible. So I'm just gonna wrap this around a couple times and then just put this onto my adapter. Alright, and the same thing, I'm gonna put some Teflon tape on the adapter, and that's gonna go into the drain. I'm gonna grab some plumber's putty. And this is gonna make our seal between the rim of the drain and the tub. Alright, I'm using the plumber's putty and not the rubber gasket that came with it. This will crack over time. Plumber's putty won't. So, alright. I'm gonna start threading this in. Nice. Alright. That's gripping nicely. And now back to this tool. Nice and snug, hand tight. And a little bit extra with the screwdriver. And all the extra plumber's putty will mush out the sides. That feels pretty snug. I think that's good right there. Alright. Look at that. And the new stopper. Beautiful. Much better. Alright, this drain is fully submerged. It's holding water, so nothing's leaking. And I got no air bubbles coming out the sides. So that means no water is going down. So I think that's a wrap. Alright guys, there you have it. My new shower drain. And it's a perfect example of how having the right tools for the job makes your life a whole lot easier. So this thing was about, I think, 15 bucks. And this thing was about 20 bucks. But it's money well spent. When you're doing a job like this, there's no other way to do it. Gotta do it right. So, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next project. Shit.